We have mechanization, irrigation, and post-harvest interventions dito. And we implement these interventions in coordination with the LGU. So, ang aming, for us to implement also yung mga provision of machinery, construction ng mga irrigation facilities, mga small-scale irrigation facilities, these are all with due collaboration with our LGU. We do recognize na partner natin ang LGU. That's why malaki ang ang role ng mga LGUs, especially yung ABE. So part of our advocacy ay strengthen din sana lahat ng mga LGUs ang ABE offices natin kasi sila ang makatulong talaga pag-implement ng mga ABE-related interventions natin. And I think specifically for Iloilo, isa sa malaking project din ng DA natin, yung ating COICA RTC sa Popotan. And we were informed na part of the management has been being overseen by the LGU of Iloilo. So partner natin, again, ang role ng ABE dito is very important kasi post-harvest facilities yun, we're dealing with machinery. We would like to see the impact na ma-reduce natin ang post-harvest losses dito sa Iloilo pagdating dito sa ating rice production natin. So we are hoping na ma-strengthen pa natin further yung ating mga collaboration with the provincial government of Iloilo in implementing this kind of interventions.
Thank you, Jenny Christie.